how to upload high quality video on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you upload high quality video on your TikTok. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open TikTok app with your account. Okay, so once you are logged in with your account on TikTok, you will get such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from here tap on three line just at the top right corner, and now from here tap on setting and privacy. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go the options like data saver, so simply tap on it. Okay, so now from here make sure that this features is turn off on your device, so you have to turn off this feature, and after you done this from here you'll have to just back from here, and now from here you'll have to upload the video whom you want to upload with high quality. So for that you'll have to just tap on this plus icon just at the bottom. Alright, so from here you'll have to tap on your gallery icon just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from here you'll have to choose that video whom you want to upload and tap on next. Again tap on next. Alright, so from here you'll have to go the option more options, so simply tap on it. Alright, so from this section you'll have to scroll down and go the options like allow high quality upload, so make sure this feature is turned on your device. So after you turn on this feature on your device, you'll be able to upload high quality video on TikTok. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.